No, shake. Alright guys, this is my way of showing you that I have finished machining these guys. It took me the entire day. I thought these things would go fast. I barely finished before Erica made it over here. And we're eating cheese and wine, but I just had to get this on and show it to you how it looks. I'm literally looking through the camera at it for the first time, so you're seeing it with me. This is pretty cool. Like, the idea is that a flat piece of aluminum, kind of like this right here, this is like raw stock right here, would be cut into the right size. Somehow I'll get holes in it. I'm still probably will use the machine, may do it by hand, working on that, but I get the holes in it, and then I'd have a whole sheet, a whole stack of parts with the right hole spacing, and they would just come and place in, and then on top of these go this bolt. And so this is it's the same exact thread size as that. Not that that matters, but the idea is it's just nice that all my stuff matches each other. And then these come in here, maybe, and screw in just like that. So when they go down pretty far, I made these holes deep, which made them harder to machine, but I really wanted them to be more versatile than less versatile. So 6 bolts, and I can switch between sheets. I can push all the way through with my tools. I push all the way through, and then the chips can fall through and evacuate, which makes them easier to machine. In every single way, in every measure, this makes it better and easier for me to machine the Mark I. And then what I'm gonna do before I do that is my machine bed is not that flat because this is, you know, a shitty CNC router, not a fucking kern. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna tighten these down with the torque wrench as you saw me do, and then they'll be exact, and then every time I put them in, I'll put them back in with the same torque. So I'll tighten them down, and then I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna do a facing pass, and I'm gonna face at the same height off of each of these, and so all the wobble will go away because they'll all be at the same level that that moves at across this. So they'll all be flat to the machine. And so then as I bolt these down, the corresponding plate that gets bolted to it will also be flat to the machine. And this is pretty much the last work holding thing I need to machine for the Mark I. It's gonna be awesome. It's coming soon. Bye guys.